If you're out drinking and having a good time, even though you don't think you drank a lot, you might still be over the legal limit. It's cheaper to pay for a taxi or get a designated driver than to pay the fines. When you get stopped for DWI, don't refuse to blow into the breathalyzer machine, or you will be considered automatically guilty. If you ever get charged with a DWI, make sure you consult an attorney. He will then examine all of the records to make sure that there was no technical violations conducted by the police department. If you get charged with a DWI and there are no technical violations conducted by the police department, it is still important to have an attorney. He will be able to fight for minimum fines, which is a difference from paying $800 to $1,500, and a minimum suspension from 12 months down to 7 months. In New Jersey, when you go to court for a moving violation, you have an option to plead to an unsafe operation of motor vehicle, which carries 0 points. However, you're only allowed to use that twice within a 5-year period. If you have accumulated a lot of points on your driver's license, it is important to take a defensive driving course online. That will reduce your points by 2, and also it will reduce your insurance by 10%. Realize that if you have points on your license and you don't have a moving violation for a period of 1 year, the Division of Motor Vehicles will reduce your points by 3 every year. If you get into an accident and it is your fault, do you know that if you do not have enough coverage, you may lose your house and your personal assets? My advice is to consult with an insurance broker and to make sure that you have enough coverage to protect your home, your personal assets, and your family. If you get into an accident, whether it's your fault or not, you must stay at the scene, call the police, because if you leave the scene of the accident, you may get charged with a crime. For a free consultation, call me.